Test paper solution for Madhyamik exam. Do as directed. Ashim knew the solution to the problem. Here we have to make the voice change of this sentence. Here Asim is the subject, knew this is the main verb, and solution to the problem. This is the object in this sentence. This phrase is the object in this sentence. This is the answer. The solution to the problem was known to Ashim. Actually, here the solution to the problem, this is the object and this has been placed in the beginning of the sentence. Was, this is the auxiliary verb, this is in past tense. Known, this is the main verb, the past participle form of the main verb. To Ashim, here do not use by, because for the verb know we have to use the preposition to. That is why the answer is the solution to the problem was known to Ashim. Do as directed. Hena said honesty is the best policy. We have to make the narration change of this sentence. This is the answer of this question. Hena said that honesty is the best policy. Actually, this is the reported speech here, and this is a universal truth. That is why in the indirect sentence, in the indirect speech, no change will be made of this reported speech, as this is a universal truth. That is why the answer is Hena said that honesty is the best policy.